Your cabin camera in a Tesla vehicle is an essential part of the autopilot system. So when you see the warning saying cabin camera is covered or blinded, the autopilot will not be working. Also, the warning will stay on and annoy you all the time. There are two known problems that cause this. First of all, there were several software updates which aim to reduce this camera's dependence of the amount of light in the car. You may try contact your Tesla dealership and they may even install those updates remotely once your car can be connected to the internet. But the second problem is more common. These interior camera modules are equipped with infrared lights so that they can see around at night. The problem is that, of course, you can't see this infrared light since our eyes just can't do this, and when it eventually stops working, you will see no difference, but the camera will. What you may try is the feature in the iPhone or any other modern smartphone that allows you to see the infrared light. Test it on something else like a TV remote and make sure you see the light. And then try to use it on your Tesla's interior camera. If you still see no light, it means that the camera module requires replacement. Unfortunately, the new OEM camera module will cost you about $100, so that's not the most expensive part that can fail in your vehicle. Also, sometimes you may see this code when the direct sun beams are blinding this camera or its lens is very dirty. So it makes sense to check for those factors before you do anything else.